Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you around this MAN TGE medium wheelbase. This is a recent completion for a customer of ours. He had a couple of things on his wish list. It had to carry 4 people, it had to sleep 4 people, and it had to feed 4 people, all in a medium wheelbase. Let me show you how we've achieved that. Now to sleep those 4 people, we opted with the Volkswagen Caravelle seat configuration, 2 single seats on rails. These seats can move forward and then swivel round, making space for the kitchen. In this little kitchen box, you've got a can unit with 2 double gas burners and a sink. And then you can tuck that away after you've done your cooking. And you've got access to the CRX 65 fridge. Inside these doors, you've got the wastewater, fresh water, and the gas bottle. Storage up in the top cupboard, storage on the sides, and storage at the top. This customer does a lot of racing. We've kept him some storage space for his helmet. He did say to us after he's gone racing, he comes back and there's never anywhere safe to put his helmet. Now he's got that space. Now we've got to sleep those 4 people. Up above the kitchen bod, we've got a big bed. At the very back of that vehicle, we've got a garage for all their stuff as well. Remember, this is a medium wheelbase, so we've still got a huge boot, even though we've got a kitchen in there. And seating for 4 people. Now that's space for 2 people to sleep. We need space for 2 other people to sleep. As you may have noticed, there might be a little bit of extra height on this van. We fitted an Atek Pop roof. This giving you the extra sleeping compartment for the other 2 people. The bed upstairs is absolutely massive. We were absolutely over the moon with this build, as was the customer, in fitting so much into such a small vehicle. We achieved all of those things, and quite comfortably having tons of room for everybody to sit back, relax, and eat and sleep. It's really spacious, airy. It's just a fantastic vehicle in getting so much into such a small vehicle. In our previous video, you would have seen a long wheelbase crafter, which has sleeping for 3 or 4 people, the kitchen area, a lounge area, and a shower and toilet. I believe this is far better than that, in all honesty. The toilet and shower, not really needed as much. This, you've got everything there. There's so much space, room for everyone. It's awesome. Absolutely over the moon. Tell us what you think. Come back, see us soon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Cheers, guys.